Sociological experiments have played a crucial role in shaping our understanding of human behavior, but not without stirring ethical debates. Today, we explore 8 influential studies that have sparked controversy for their ethical implications. The Stanford Prison Experiment, led by Philip Zimbardo, pushed the boundaries of ethical research as participants suffered emotional distress and abusive conditions, raising questions about the ethical treatment of subjects in psychological studies. In the Tuskegee syphilis study, the U.S. Public Health Service withheld treatment from African American men, highlighting the severe consequences of neglecting informed consent and the lasting impact on marginalized communities. John B. Watson and Rosalie Rayner's Little Albert experiment, though pioneering in behaviorism, faced ethical scrutiny for its lack of informed consent and the distress caused to the infant, emphasizing the importance of ethical guidelines in child research. Solomon Asch's Conformity experiment explored social influence, but the stress on participants fearing social rejection highlighted the ethical need for researchers to consider the psychological impact of their studies. Harry Harlow's studies on maternal separation and social isolation with monkeys raised ethical concerns about animal welfare, as the emotional distress inflicted on the monkeys prompted a re-evaluation of research practices involving animals. Albert Bandura's Bobo doll experiment demonstrated the imitative nature of children but faced ethical criticism for the potential harm inflicted on the young participants who witnessed aggressive behavior. Lord Humphrey's Tearoom trade study delved into public sex without informed consent, challenging the ethical boundaries of observational studies and raising questions about privacy and consent. Stanley Milgram's study on obedience to authority figures shook the ethical foundations with its psychological distress on participants, lack of informed consent, and deceptive practices, sparking ongoing debates about the balance between scientific inquiry and ethical standards.